Alrighty.
And the house is gonna be pretty.
Good morning. Welcome to another day in the life. So I actually have a couple things to do today. Well, a lot, but I'm going to try not to do too much. It is a Saturday after New Year's Day, and I always have such a big to-do list right when the New Year strikes because I have all these goals and things that I want to accomplish, but I'm going to try to keep it simple today. I'm going to start off today with a group workout session on Zoom, and then I have laundry to do. I have to write some TikTok scripts and just a couple other things, but the main things are those. I'm actually also sanding or staining our living room floors with my husband today. He actually sanded them already to prep for staining. So I'm going to show you guys where we are with that. Alrighty, so we are in the process of renovating our home, so it's looking pretty rough here. This is the living room floor. As I told you that my husband started to sand. He's finished with the sanding, and today I'm going to help him with the staining. So we're gonna get down on our knees and actually stain the floors ourselves. This is the dining room area. And we're gonna actually stain all the floors. I don't know if you guys can see, but the color of our foyer. So stick around so you can see the after shots of our new living room and dining room floors. I'm gonna actually get some oatmeal started before my workout because I tend to get super hungry while I'm working out. Usually I'll put something on so that right after I'm finished with the workout, I can jump right into eating breakfast. So I just finished with the workout and I am starving. So I'm going to get my oatmeal together and eat and get the day started.
What?
You're my little helper, Maya? What you doing, girl? You trying to get me some oatmeal? Are you gonna eat some oatmeal today with me? Alrighty, so I just jumped out of the shower after the workout and we are getting ready to vacuum the floors. I have Miss Maya here. Are you gonna help me vacuum the floor?
Yeah.
Alrighty. We're gonna vacuum the floors and get the floors ready for staining today. We're gonna have new floors?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty.
And the house is gonna be pretty.
Our house is gonna be pretty awesome. right, so we have one room that it's all finished. I'm not gonna lie, this was a lot of work, especially on the knees and the back, but it looks beautiful. So the floors are finished and I have a lot of light in front of me because I'm about to film some TikTok videos. So I don't know if you guys are on TikTok, but I actually just joined TikTok maybe about 3 weeks ago, actually. And my first 2 videos got over 100,000 views. Then I posted a video of some talking points on what candidates should say if they're running late for an interview. I kind of did a little skit of the interview. I was actually in my car and I was pretending that I was running late, and basically I showed the TikTok viewers what you should say if you're running late for an interview. And that video now has over 2.3 million views on TikTok. I was blown away. So in the comments below, let me know if you guys are on TikTok. I would like to connect with some of you guys. I'm new to the platform, so I'm still learning the ins and outs about TikTok. But I would like to connect with you if you're on there. So I am all dressed up and ready to start filming for TikTok. So I got a lot of requests from a lot of the comments in my video that went viral that a lot of people need help with the question, tell me about yourself for interviews. So I thought that I would film a quick example of some talking points for that question. So tell me about yourself. I am Raquel and I've had a very rewarding career and then I'm gonna like fix the camera. So I'm all finished with my TikTok filming. I'm about to really wind down and get ready to end the day. It's been a lot with the workout and staining the floors and everything. I am beat. But thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that we can continue this journey together, whether you're watching my career videos or just these vlogs. I would love to network with some of you guys. So please comment in the comment box below where you're from and what brings you to my channel. And if you're interested, I will be posting an update of our floors once we put the clear poly coating over it. I would love for you guys to see the after results. So stay tuned for that update video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.